Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun one and a different one. This is something I really want to do on my channel, maybe like once every couple of months, just so I could really spread it out. And what I'm going to do today is really break down one of my drawers in like my makeup collection, and I really just want to show you guys like my whole collection. So today we're going to be talking about my foundation, primer, concealer drawer. So if you want to see my whole collection, then keep watching. Okay, so today's video was really supposed to be a makeup tutorial, and my right eye was like really itchy and it got like a little puffy and like swollen looking. So I took a Benadryl and didn't know what to film. So I asked my good friends Evie and Vanessa, I'll link their channels down below so you can go check them out, what I should film today because I had no idea. And Vanessa was like, do a makeup collection, and I was like, you know what? I asked if anyone wanted to see that in my vanity tour, which no one really did, but I'm gonna do it anyway. If you want to see my vanity tour, that'll be linked down below. So like I said, I'm just going to really break down my foundation drawer. This is foundations, primers, and concealers. I don't know if the video will be up before or after this, I can't remember, but I recently decluttered all of my makeup and I got rid of a lot of stuff, which is amazing, and I'm so happy I did. So first I'm just gonna start off with my primers, I guess. I'll go in order of how I would do my makeup. And I keep my primers, my liquid, I guess, foundation primers in this little plastic thing. And these are my literally only primers that I really have for like liquid. These two black tubes are the NYX Photo Loving Primer in the green. This is just for anti-redness. I should probably start using this again because it really does help cancel out the red. I like to really use it on my cheeks and on my nose because that's just where I get the most redness. And then I have this little sample of Professional from Benefit, which I probably got in one of the advent calendars. Another primer that I have that I don't keep in here just because I don't want it to open up is the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer Mist. This is one of my favorites. Next up is all of my concealers, and I don't want anything to fall out, so I'm trying to be like strategic here of how I'm holding everything. So the first concealers that I have are these L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover. These two are the color correcting kits. I really like these. This one I bought on my own, and then this one I actually got sent to me from Buzz Agent to try out, and I was so excited to get another one because these are pretty pricey for L'Oreal, but they're just amazing. Like, they help color correct so good. If you don't really know how to color correct, I have a video, I will link it down below, on how I use these, and I try my best to explain everything, so that video will be linked down below. The other one is just a like contour kit, which I used to contour, I think, in that video or a different video where I reviewed these, and it's okay for contouring. I mean, it wasn't my favorite. The next concealer that I have is this e.l.f. color correcting stick. This is in Peach. I really like this. First, I really like the packaging. I don't know, it's just really easy to use. I really like this to use underneath my eyes to cover up the dark circles because it really brightens my under eyes up. So the next two concealers I have are the LA Girl Pro Concealers. This one in my right hand is natural, and then this one in my left hand is the peach one. I like to use my natural one all over my face, so on my forehead, under my eyes, sometimes on my eyelids to prime. It's a good primer. Just all over. And then this peach one I'll use specifically underneath my eyes. Again, it brightens. If you have darker under eyes like I do, I really suggest using a peach, and you can mix it or just use the peach alone. I sometimes like to mix if I'm in the mood to make it really bright. Next up, I have this e.l.f. concealer and highlighter. I actually really liked this. This was a good brightener concealer, and then the highlighter part is really good for highlighting. It's a liquid highlighter, so if you don't like liquid highlighters, I wouldn't recommend it, but it is really nice. It's good, and it's super affordable. Next up, we have the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is just my favorite concealer. I use it all the time. I'm sure you guys know. And the last concealer I have is the NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer in Fair. I really like this. I've had it forever. I hit pan but I still have a lot like on the sides because a little goes a long way with this. I like this for all over my face, and I also like it as an eyeshadow primer. It's a great eyeshadow primer. Sorry, the NYX concealer was not the last one. I didn't see that this CoverGirl one was like jumped over. This, I love this one. I'm wearing this one today because this is just the one that I grabbed. This is in Fair also. I love this one because of the packaging. It's like a lipstick, and it's just really good for getting like really close to the inner corner of your eye, and it's a pretty good concealer. I like it. It doesn't crease that much, but I also don't get it that close to like the lower lash line or like where the wrinkles are in my eyes. I don't know, I just really like this one. And next up we have foundations. I don't want to spill them out because that'd be great. First foundation is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. This is in, what shade are you in? 130 Buff Beige. I love this foundation. I did a whole review on it. I'll link that down below if you guys want to see that. Next is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation in 725 Buff Beige. Again, absolutely love this as well. This is finally starting to match me. If you guys saw my review, I said it was a little too light just because it was summer and I had a tan. But now that it is winter and cooler and I'm losing that tan a little bit, I am now able to wear this more, and I have been absolutely loving it. Next foundation I have is my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation in 206 Buff Beige. I just love this. It's my favorite. I'm running out. I need to get more. Another foundation that I have that is not in here just because it's running out and I want it to stay up straight so I can get it out easier is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer in 05 Warm Beige. I love this foundation. This foundation just covers like every imperfection on your skin, and I've tried it with and without concealer and it looks really good either way. Next up is more of a BB cream from Urban Decay, and this is the Naked Skin One and Done Hybrid Complexion Perfector in medium. I love this. This is what I'm wearing today because I just didn't want to go like all out full coverage. This just makes your skin look like your skin but better. That's just honestly why I like it. Next foundation, if you've been with me for a while now, is this NYX Tint and Moisturizer in Warm Beige. I love this. This is just one of my favorite BB creams. I've tried the Maybelline ones and they're okay. I liked them, but this has to be my favorite one. It does look a little orange. You could probably tell right here that it looks pretty orange, but when it like dries down and like settles into your skin, it just again makes your skin look like your skin but better. And then the last thing in this drawer is my e.l.f. HD setting powder and all these puffs that come with it that I never use. I used to use this a lot to set underneath my eyes and I liked it, but then one day I just kind of stopped doing that, and honestly my makeup has never looked better. I feel like it just looks so much better. This I feel like made it too matte, and I'm not a fan of the whole matte look. I just don't think it looks good on my skin because it is so dry. If you're into like the super matte look, I would recommend this. It's great for that. But what I've been using it recently for is if I will use a concealer as a primer, I'll use this to set it, and it's been working out really well for that. And that is it for my primer, concealer, and foundation collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not already, hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions on videos you want to see me do next, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!